Today we're gonna be cooking Kickin Shrimp, also known as Bang Bang Shrimp. It's famous at Tony Roma's here in Malaysia. Three sugar.
Chicken flour?
Yeah.
Fried chicken flour? I don't know. Instant flour. Flour.
Okay.
It's not in the box. I'm going to crack the egg. And then we're gonna mix the egg. Now I regret using a spoon.
Told you to use a fork. Just a dash of milk to make it fluffier.
Just dump it all in there.
Yep.
Oh, you're so messy.
What? I have to So these are my coated prawns, and Marsha's attempting her own. She chose to use a chopstick.
We're just gonna peel the skin.
Oh, so this is Marsha's and this is mine, where it's more fine. It's not refined, but it's finer. Boleh tak?
Boleh?
So I'm just gonna cut some random. Okay, let's see for lettuce. You wanna do cabbage?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Wow, so those are our veggies. What does it taste like?
Cabbage.
So these are the prawns, coated and ready. We're gonna leave it to dry for a bit. Meanwhile, we're gonna start preparing the sauce. So the ingredients are mayonnaise, Thai sweet chili sauce, and sriracha. Alright, so now we're gonna make the sauce. First, we're gonna take some mayonnaise, but I'm just gonna eyeball it, because eventually we're just gonna have to settle for what tastes right, not what it looks right. So next we're gonna pour in some sriracha. We like it spicy, so just a bit more. Lingams, sauce chili Thai. Oh, yep, it's really quite enough. So I should mix them.
That looks yummy.
Well, we're getting the colors right,
Yeah.
so I think that's a good start. Taste test. Still a bit too sweet.
Add on more sriracha. How do you say it?
Sriracha.
Sriracha.
The bubbles.
It's raining.
This is actually my specialty, cutting vegetables in odd shapes. Or this one actually has a, hey, you're eating my veggie. Frying the prawns now, waiting for them to be cooked, and we're cooking in batches.
So we finished frying the shrimp. Now Harris is dumping it into the
Sauce.
secret sauce.
It's not so secret. You can pour on it, but not semua kena.
I wanna try the shrimp.
Shrimp trap.
Now he's mixing it with veggies. Yummy! Cannot wait to eat that. Look at that. Look at that beauty.
This is what makes.
Oh my
Tony
god,
Roma's.
sesame seeds.
I want more.
I want more. Dah. Beautiful. 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 So I'm gonna try it. Gonna get it all, the sayo, the. So good. It tastes exactly like Tony Roma,
Yay.
but better.
Aw.